To all, my name is Harika. I am studying 4th class. Good evening to all. My name is Akshara. I'm studying 4th class. Today topic is Prime Minister. First Prime Minister of India. Jawaharlal Nehru. Second Prime Minister of India. Jawaharlal Nanda. Third Prime Minister of India. Lal Bahadur Shastri. Fourth Prime Minister of India. Jawaharlal Nanda. Fifth Prime Minister of India. Indira Gandhi. Sixth Prime Minister of India. Rajiv Desai. Seventh Prime Minister of India. Charan Singh. Eighth Prime Minister of India. Indira Gandhi. Ninth Prime Minister of India. Rajiv Gandhi. Tenth Prime Minister of India. Shivanal Pratap Singh. 11th Prime Minister of India. Charan Singh. 12th Prime Minister of India. P.V. Narasimha Rao. 13th Prime Minister of India. Atal Bihari Vajpayee. 14th Prime Minister of India. H.D. Deve Gowda. 15th Prime Minister of India. I.K. Gujil. 16th Prime Minister of India. Atal Bihari Vajpayee. 17th Prime Minister of India. Atal Bihari Vajpayee. 18th Prime Minister of India. Dr. Manmohan Singh. 19th Prime Minister of India. Dr. Manmohan Singh. 20th Prime Minister of India.
Narendra Modi garu.
Thank you all.